Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an event to calendar on OnePlus Open 5G. To add an event, first open calendar app. Then click on a plus in bottom right corner. You can choose whether to add an event or a task. I'm gonna add an event, add a title, and now choose start and end date. You can also enable all day if the event is all day long, but I'm gonna set a start date to 25th of July, current year, and end date at 27th of July. I can also change the hours. I'm gonna change the hours to, for example, 10:05. This is gonna be the start hour at July 25, and at July 27, the end date is gonna be 8 o'clock. Okay. I can change the time. I can set if it repeats and change other data like when the notification will arrive. I'm gonna delete this one and add notification 1 day before. Okay, then press on save. Here is my event. I can also scroll through different months to view other events. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.